In this video, I'm going to show you how to format text on Discord. I'm gonna learn you how to make crossed out text, bold text, italic text, and underlined text. That is very simple and easy, so let's begin. And first, let's write some text. I'll copy that and I'll just send this text as regular, and now let me show you how to make this text crossed out. For that, first I tap on this numbers icon and there tap on that icon to find tildes. And to make the text crossed out, you need to make two tildes at the every end of the text. So I make two tildes at the beginning and now I make two tildes at the end, and if I send this text will be crossed out. Now what to do to make the bold text? For bold text I make the same action, but I look for stars, and by the same way I make two stars at the every end of the text. And now you see the bold text appears right here. So next I need to make an italic text, and here I just can select one star from the each end of the text. That's easy to remember: two stars for bold, one star for italic. And now to make underlined text, just make two underlines at the beginning and at the end, and now see how it works. We got underlined text. I hope it helps you. So before you go, please like and subscribe.